To set up GoHenry allowances, start by creating an account on the GoHenry website or mobile app. GoHenry is a prepaid debit card and allowance management system designed for children and teenagers. Once you have created your account, you will need to add your child's information, including their name and date of birth. Next, you will need to fund your GoHenry account, which can be done by transferring money from your bank account or using a credit or debit card. The money in your GoHenry account will be used to fund your child's allowance and any other transactions they make using their GoHenry card. To set up the allowance, go to the Settings section of your GoHenry account and select the Allowance option. Here, you can choose how much money you want to give your child each week or month, and on what day of the week or month you want the allowance to be paid. You can also set up automatic transfers, so the allowance is paid into your child's account at the same time every week or month. One of the key features of GoHenry is the ability to set spending limits and controls, so you can decide how much your child can spend in different categories, such as groceries, entertainment, and clothing. You can also set up alerts, so you are notified when your child makes a purchase or exceeds their spending limit. In addition to setting up allowances, GoHenry also provides a range of educational resources and tools to help children learn about money management and financial literacy. These resources include budgeting tools, savings goals, and financial lessons, all designed to help children develop good money habits from a young age. To get the most out of GoHenry, it's a good idea to sit down with your child and discuss their allowance and spending habits. This will help them understand the value of money and how to manage their finances effectively. You should also regularly review your child's account activity and adjust their allowance and spending limits as needed. By following these steps and using the features and tools provided by GoHenry, you can help your child develop good money habits and a healthy relationship with money. GoHenry is a great way to teach children about the importance of budgeting, saving, and responsible spending, and can be a valuable tool in helping them become financially literate and independent.